This high-speed spindle option, which runs at up to 40,000 RPM, offers faster processing of many materials while maintaining a smooth, almost polished edge finish. When running at 40,000 RPM, this spindle delivers 6.7 horsepower, which allows you to process acrylic at feed rates 2 to 3 times greater than using a regular 24,000 RPM spindle while continuing to produce an excellent edge finish. Aluminum can also be processed faster with no reduction in quality of cut finish. There is no loss of power when running at lower spindle speeds of 12,000 to 24,000 RPM. At these speeds, 8.6 horsepower is more than enough for general-purpose cutting of a broad range of materials. Tools are fitted using the HSD clamping system, which provides the best rigidity and precision for high-speed operation. The quick-release mechanism allows fast manual changing of tools, or it can be used with any of the AXYZ automatic tool change systems for highest productivity and labor-saving operation. A liquid cooling system maintains the spindle at its optimum running temperature. This allows quieter operation and lower running costs when compared to compressed air cooling. Compatibility with many of the AXYZ pressure feet and other cutting accessories ensures a safe, clean, and productive working environment. Depending on their specification, this spindle can be retrofitted to many existing AXYZ series and Pacer machines. This spindle is sourced from industry-leading manufacturer HSD, ensuring reliability and superior quality, consistent with the AXYZ mission of delivering only the best possible customer experience and product quality. To find out more about how this new spindle could benefit your business, contact your local AXYZ sales office today.